Marts and Dana will show us same quick-step choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at same quick step choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with preparation step and dance running right turn, which is natural pivot turn with foxtrot natural turn and running finish. We continue with forward walk and then zigzag with ladies heel turn, outside change to promenade position, and from here we dance natural fallaway turn and continue with open natural turn and running finish. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. We start with preparation step. We move diagonally to wall, then running right turn diagonally to wall, down line of dance, around the corner, and we finish diagonally to center. We continue with walk and zigzag diagonally to center, same direction outside change to promenade, and we start natural fallaway turn down line of dance, then diagonally to center. We continue diagonally to wall with open natural turn and running finish diagonally to center. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.